Okay, so you should be familiar with the assessment task that's associated with these case studies. Remember, you have to pick one and as many as two of these case studies and find a research article that's associated with the themes of that case study and write up a report on that research article. Do pay special attention to the requirements for this assessment that are outlined on the course Moodle page to make sure that you get full marks for this assessment task. So this week's case study is by Professor Todd Freeberg, who's from the Department of Psychology and the Department of Ecology and Evolutionary Biology at the University of Tennessee. Now, Todd has a very broad set of interests that are centered around the general theme of understanding the drivers and consequences of animal sociality and culture. A lot of his work has been focused on the study of birds, but he also relies on a variety of insect groups and mammals as well. And what I really love about Todd's work is that he tests very broad conceptual ideas that are relevant for any social animal. And I think the fact that his research is often comparative, using a variety of different species, really speaks to that. And for me, an aspect of his work that is particularly exciting is trying to establish this link between how socially complex an animal is and the complexity of communication that animal uses. And I think this really gets at the very core of understanding the evolutionary origin of communication in any animal, including humans, and also what communication can reveal about the lives of animals. Todd is very generous with his ideas. He has a very integrative and creative view of his research and spends a lot of time conveying his research to the general public through various outreach programs. Todd recorded this case study especially for you from Knoxville, Tennessee.